Good afternoon.
Hi, good afternoon, Ben. Nice to see you. First time.
Yeah, right. It's really first time. So you are in your office, as I can see.
Yes. I'm in the P of department because the signal here is very good.
Got it. So what you do? Tell me what you do. What is
We are making the electronic manufacturing business. It's kind of EMS like Foxconn.
okay? Okay. Yes, good.
Yes.
So you make PCBA. So what you do? You buy the PCB. You do the soldering. Am I right?
Yes. We buy the PCB, the components, and then SMT onto the bio board, and then programming and do the functional testing and case assembling, capable assembling, and then final shipment.
Okay. So it's quite typical process. So I think what we'd like to do now is to have you show me the presentation you have. This is number one. Then after the presentation, we should go to see your workshop. Can we do it this way?
Okay. So first time is for the company profile introduction. Let me show.
Okay.
Okay, sorry. I will start.
Good. I can see now. Yes.
Okay, first step. Welcome. And as I can show, just at the beginning, we are making the PCB assembly. So we have the 3 SMT lines and 3 DIP lines for the final assembly.
Okay.
Yes, and this is a capability of the PCB.
Yeah.
What we can make 1 to 28 layers, and it's a process of the PCB, how we make the PCB.
Yeah, typical.
And this is for the SMT. It's the main process we are making in our factory.
Okay.
Right now, the minimum component size we are improved from here to 02001, but now the capability is 01005 because we have adopted a new line. I will show later.
Great. Is it related to the machine?
Yes. It's related to the machine. If the machine is more accurate, your capability will be more advanced.
So the more expensive machine you get, the high precision you can do.
Yes.
Okay.
It cost us 150,000 USD for the new line.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Please continue.
This is for the PCB assembling flow chart. How we make the assembling, how we control the quality for you.
Okay.
And this slide is for the PCB assembling capabilities, what we can do for clients. You can see we can make SMT, DIP, and functional testing, programming, and also for the repair. Sometimes we have to repair.
I have a question here.
Yes.
Do you design the PCB or your customer decides and you follow the instruction?
And the customer designed the PCB, but we can check the PCB files to check if there is any short or opens in the designs. Okay. And sometimes we can provide proposals to optimize the design to make the PCB more reliable and more cost down.
Yeah, that's a great service. It sometimes happened. The designer.
Yes.
Yeah, right. Yes. It sometimes go to the manufacturers, and the manufacturers go back and tell the design team what's wrong with that. Okay, that's very good. That's very good. Yeah.
Yes. Okay. And this is for the quality control we have got for the ISO 9001. And this slide, it shows the facilities we have in-house, and some are out-house because we do not have all the machines for the equipment. But we will do the test as more as we could to make sure the quality. Sometimes we will do on our side, such as for the X-ray. Yeah.
Right, it's common. Don't worry.
And it's for the PCB facilities.
Yeah. Okay.
And this is our product range. We have,
Yeah. Okay. Let me Yeah, it's quite obvious. I can see from the chat. Let me shorten your times and let me ask the question directly. I see you are very focused in two areas. One is the energy area, and the other is the communication industry. So two together contributes to like 40% of everything. So why is that? Why is that? Is it any reason you do uh, quite a lot of this industry compared to the other industry? Is it any reason?
Yes, yes, because we have two advantages for these two products. One is for the supply chain, because we have the very brand distributors and factory prices for these two products. So we have better sources on these two products. And the other side is for the engineering parts.
Okay.
The engineers in our company have more than 10 years experience in the communication and the energy parts. So they know how to treat these two products in designing and programming, and also for the testing. So that is why many of our clients are majored in the communications and energy products.
Okay, okay, that makes good sense for me. Then, the more you do this industry, the more you advance in this area. So, then the more customer you get from this industry. It's how it's happening. Either OEM, EMS is only going this way. Okay, thank you. It's clear. So please continue.
Yeah. And this is some cases we made before for the clients.
Okay. Hey, I see some hardness, cable hardness. Do you also do cable hardness?
Yes. For if the clients mentioned they want us to make the cable assembly, then we can make the cable manufacturing for them. Okay. It's kind of sourcing.
Okay.
Yes.
Get it. Okay, please continue.
Yeah, this is some board we making before. For this board is very large, not very large, it's very complicated because it has more than 1,500 components in total. Normally for a computer board, it only have 500 components in total, but for this one, it has more than 3 times.
Questions here. So when you mentioned there is such a large number of components, do you source it, or your customer source it for you?
Pardon?
The components, so 1,600 something components. Do you buy?
Yes.
Do you source for these components, or your customer asks you to buy from somebody they know?
Yeah. Some of them are provided by the clients because of the chips. They have better ways. Sometimes some of them are. It's kind of 1/3 of them are provided by the clients because it is some modules are very expensive. They have more sources they are.
Bargaining powers. This house normally do we call it second tier management, and then for okay. So 2/3 of the components is buy from you. Is from your. Okay, good. So that's how you add value to the process. So you do sourcing with your existing customer, existing supplier, and then you use it.
Yeah.
That's clear. Okay, please go on.
And this is some board we're making for the clients of the ETC, and also for the it's complete board, making the case assembly also.
Okay, well, I think we can skip it a little bit here because we still need to tour the factory.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
It's a package to protect your board during the shipment, so it can.
Do you have packaging engineers here in your company?
You mean, pardon?
Packaging engineer.
Yes. We will measure because we have the cartons, and the engineer will calculate the package weight. Okay. And that is for the instructions.
Very good. I think it's a comprehensive views for everything. Very good presentation. So let's step. Can you show me your workshop?
Oh yes. I will go check the computer. This is for the key. Okay, I will go to the SMT lines.
Yes, please.
Here is for the SMT lines. While the operators get in, it's how they wear their clothes when get in.
Sure.
And before enter the SMT room, they have to go through the wind shower.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, sure. So what is the grading of your clean room?
10,000.
10,000 grade. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Here's a workshop.
Yeah. Here we have 3 complete SMT lines. You can see. One is for the high speed, the middle speed, and the other one is high speed. And at the end of the wall, there is a new line, but I cannot get in because I do not have macros right.
Yeah, sure. No
that one is the new one. Yeah, that is the new one, which cost us 150,000 USD.
Heavy investment.
And in this room is for the DIP. DIP is the hand soldering.
Okay. Good. Good. Okay, that's very good. Then how many workers do you have in total?
Right now, because of the virus, we only have almost 100.
Okay, well, it's still quite a lot, huh?
Because we done the SMT much. Many works are done by the machines.
Okay. Hey, you seem very professional on this industry. How long has you been working here in this company?
For Inspire, we have been in the PCBA for more than 15 years.
Okay. 15. Good. Okay.
Yeah.
The right one. Okay. Okay. Thank you very much. I think we got a lot of information today. Thanks for the interviews. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Ben. Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.